Hello, this is the Simon tutorial. Part 1, a general overview of the platform. The screen you're watching right now is the main screen. After logging into our software, this is the first screen you'll see. On the left side, you can find the section called My Spaces. This is a list of all the spaces you have access to. It includes both the spaces you own and those where you are a user of the space added by another owner. Here you can also add a new space, which will be explained in tutorial part 2, where we'll create a new space and make all configurations. On the right-hand side, you'll find the news section with the latest information added by our marketing department. Now going back to the main app, we also have a toolbar visible in all views. Here we have buttons for personal preferences, user information, subscription plan details, and the Contact Us option. From here, you can access information about your subscription plan. Click to open it. It might take a moment to load. Here is your subscription plan. Right now, I'm on the Enterprise plan, which gives access to everything. Customer plans may differ, so the details may vary. Here you'll find information about your current plan, limitations, invoice address, payments, and plan details for all the spaces you own. You'll see details about devices, IoT, and cloud space. Everything related to your subscription. If you receive a promo code for a special offer or from a distributor, you can enter it here. Just type the code and click Apply. If the promo code is invalid, you'll see an error. You can also view invoice history, checkout, and other available plans to see what plans can be added for your account. In personal preferences, you can also manage how the app behaves, such as handling error messages or modals. You can also change the language to English, Spanish, Japanese, Polish, or German. It's also possible to choose your preferred measurement units. Temperature can be displayed in Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin degrees. Power consumption can be shown in watts, kilowatts per hour, or joules. These options are available in IoT settings. You can switch between showing total consumption or current power. It's also possible to display the price instead of the power unit. To do that, enter the price for 1 kilowatt hour and select the currency. After saving, all settings will update. There's also a button to switch to full screen mode. Click it to activate full screen. That's the overview of the main interface.